entering into the field, I really wanted to focus on pediatrics, helping children really participate in life as children. I'm Kathleen Carroll, and I'm a certified prosthetist orthotist. I work for Hanger Clinic in Hartford, Connecticut, where I specialize in pediatric orthotics, so providing braces for children with different musculoskeletal disorders. I'd like to come in with the best clinical knowledge I can provide, but a lot of times I find it's really important to be there as someone to listen to the family. All right, mister, you ready? It's great to be able to build relationships and to make a difference in their lives. David is here today to be scanned for a cranial remolding orthosis because he has a diagnosis of plagiocephaly, so he has a flattening of one portion of his head. The scan that we're capturing is going to give us a 3D image of his current head shape from which a helmet can be created. And that helmet will use his natural cranial growth to round and even out his head shape. The hands-on aspect is super fun. You get to use a lot of power tools, and it's really quite a powerful experience to feel comfortable using those machines and then being able to influence the shape of an orthosis. All right, so fill me in. How have things been? Anthony is here today for a follow-up in the treatment of pectus carinatum, where his chest wall protrudes forward. And so he has been using a compressive orthosis to help remodel his bones and cartilage of his chest. And today we'll be doing a scan to track his progress. The field of orthotics and prosthetics is changing very rapidly. We have integrated more and more 3D models to help develop our devices, and more recently, 3D printing has come into the field. The field of orthotics and prosthetics and pedorthics, it's a great field for someone who wants to be working with their hands, but there's also that creative side and that problem-solving side. So it's great for someone who wants a big variety in their day in terms of what type of skills they need to use. We started at 1.57. I love working with kids, and one of the reasons why is they're so resilient. They're just making the best of their lives.